This video I'm going to teach you how to extract data from SurveyMonkey to Excel. In order to do that, you first need to head over to surveymonkey.com and make sure that you have your actual account. So it needs to have the account that is actually available on the survey itself. So for this thing first, you can head over and sign up and create the survey by clicking on this Get Started right here or to the sign up option right here. If you already have an existing account with an existing survey, proceed to click on this login. So I already have one and let me show you what that looked like. So here is my survey and as you can see I already have two responses. So if I want to actually get their actual data, you can scroll down from there and you can see here the integrations. We can see Google Sheets, MailChimp, and the like. For example, let's click onto this, explore more integration. And then from in there you can see all of the apps that is connected to this. Let's click onto this search and let's proceed to search for Excel. And then in here, you can see that we have Excel Online. So this means that we can actually export it directly into our Excel. Now let's head back right here and go over to the Analyze Results. And then into this tab, we should be able to see in here the results that we have and it will be analyzed as well. In here, you can see this. We have in here the data for all of the questions. And if you wish to export it, just head over and click onto this export option. Click onto this new export. And then in here, you can see that you can actually export it using XLS, which is actually the data or format of Excel. So for this, in order to export this data survey results, you need to upgrade for their paid plan. But once you have done that, you can actually just export in here the data for this as well. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.